Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming that your Microsoft 365 license is active and that you have the assigned work account. This prevents permission delays. Next, install core Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, directly from the portal and choose 64-bit when required for large files. Once done, enable multi-factor authentication and set recovery info so you won't lose access. This protects data and avoids later lockouts, making the rest of setup secure and smooth. You now configure the central services that power collaboration. Start by setting up OneDrive sync for your main folders and use selective sync to save local space. Then create Teams channels and SharePoint libraries, assigning permissions by role so documents and chats align with team structure. After that, connect Outlook to your account and import mail, or use migration tools if you have legacy PSD files. Make sure to test co-authoring and sharing, so everyone can access files in real time. You finish by enabling autosave and file versioning, and by setting retention and backup policies to prevent data loss. Once done, build lightweight Power Automate flows for approvals and routine tasks, and deploy mobile apps with device policies so work continues on phones. Finally, confirm training links and permissions for your team. If something goes wrong, update Office first, clear app cache, and re-sign into your account. If the problem persists, escalate to your admin, because tenant or license issues often require.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.